Hello, and welcome to Let's Talk Meshing's Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature in just a couple of minutes. Today we're going to be talking about the status bar. The status bar is located at the bottom of the screen and runs the full length of the GUI. It provides various types of information and feedback. To start, we have this octagon. When there is a long-running operation, or even a shorter running operation, it can be used to stop that operation. However, it is worth noting that the stop is not immediate. Pointwise will stop at the next available opportunity. Next is a dual progress bar. The top progress bar shows how many stages there are and the stage that you're currently on. The second shows the progress on the current stage. Adjacent to the progress bar are a number of symbols. The first symbol indicates the grid type. The second symbol indicates the type of view, whether orthonormal or perspective. The dimension is shown next. This symbol shows that there are rules and the status of those rules. JRNL shows that a journal file is currently being written and the name of that journal file. Below is the CAE solver that is currently selected. Next is this kind of blank space when you start Pointwise. However, helpful directions are often printed here. As an example, if I click Draw Shapes, it will prompt me to define the first corner point of the box base. As I click the point, the instructions are updated. I can hit Cancel to get out of the command. The next deviation on the status bar reports information for an entity. If you hover over an unstructured block or domain, it will report the name as well as the number of cells. If you hover over a structured domain or block, it will give you the name as well as the dimensions, in this case 11 by 11. If you hover over a connector, it will tell you the name, the dimension, and the average spacing. These final three sections are used to show the UV, XYZ, and IJK coordinates. If I select this domain and go to Edit Split, I can hover over a point and not only do I see the UV coordinates as well as the database that's associated with it, I can also see the XYZ coordinates and the IJ coordinates. If I'm creating a connector, I can see the XYZ coordinates for any point I select. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all, and have a pleasant Tuesday.